Priscilla.
And I'm Miss MJ from the Marathon County Public Library Stratford branch.
What do you think we're going to read about today?
I wonder.
Is it trains?
Maybe.
I like trains, do you?
I do. They're so fun.
And we have so many books. Should we get started? Woo-woo! I Like Trains by Daisy Hurst. I like playing with my train. I like putting all the animals on board so they can go off on a journey. Sometimes I drive a train of my own. Chugga, 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 chugga. All aboard! And I like reading books about trains. Long trains, short trains, trains with faces, fast trains, slow trains, trains in races. But the best thing of all is when we go to the station to catch the train ourselves. We buy 2 tickets, 1, 2, and find the right platform. We choose some seats by a window, and then the train sets off. Through the window, I see houses and backyards, trucks and cars, hotels and factories, and boats on a river. I see fields and trees, horses and sheep, darkness and a tunnel, and another train whooshing by. The train slows down and stops. And then at last, I see Grandma! I tell Grandma all about the journey and draw her a picture. Then there's just enough time to visit my favorite playground. Look it's a train playground. I love playing trains with Grandma. Oh, look and it's time to leave.
Listen up. Train Song by Victoria Allenby. Where do the trains go? There and back. Let's sing a train song all down the track. Are you ready to sing with me? How does the horn sing? Woo! Choo! Can you do that? Woo! Choo! Let's sing a horn song all down the track. See the horn? How does the chime sing? Ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling. Let's sing a chime song all down the track. Ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling. How does the engine sing? Chuffa-gruffa, chuffa-gruffa. Let's sing an engine song all down the track. Can you do that? Chuffa-gruffa, chuffa-gruffa, chuffa-gruffa. Good job. How does the crossing sing? The crossing lets cars know that a train is coming soon. You might have been stopped by one sometime. And it goes clang, bang, clang, bang. Can you say that? Clang, bang, clang, bang. Let's sing a crossing song all down the track. How does the metro sing? This is the metro type of train. It goes whoosh, swoosh. Let's sing a metro song all down the track. Whoosh, swoosh. How does the steam train sing? Hiss, hiss. Look at that steam train. Let's sing a steam train song all down the track. Can you say hiss, hiss? How does the boxcar sing? Rattle, tattle, rattle, tattle. Can you do that? Rattle, tattle, rattle, tattle. Let's sing a boxcar song all down the track. How do the brakes sing? Get ready for this one. Screech! Ouch! Have you ever heard that noise? Can you do that? Screech! The train is trying to stop and it makes a loud noise. Let's sing a brake song all down the track. Where have the trains gone? There and back. Now sing us your song all down the track. All aboard!
We're back with the little train boxes we made.
And now we're going to teach you an action song that you can do along with us. Are you ready?
We are the choo-choo trains puffing down the track. Now we go forward. Chugga, 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 chugga. Now we go back. Chugga, 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 chugga. Now the bell is ringing. Ding, ding, ding. Now the whistle blows. Woo, woo. What a lot of noise we make everywhere we go. We've reached the end of the line.
But we sure had fun with you here today at Story Time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.